Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to walk, and my 2.5-year-old son's gonna be here today to watch me as well, and I could not be more proud.
Feeling a little overwhelmed, that it's kind of coming to an end, and it's just been a wonderful experience.
I am excited about being here with all my peers. We're graduating, we've done it, and we're ready for the next chapter of our lives.
I'm really excited. I learned so much here at college, and I'm going to miss that. And I'm excited about going on and finding a job.
Not just about the school life, it's outside of the school life. There's quite a list of people that I'll be staying in contact with for years.
I've seen all of us start at the bare minimum, not knowing what was up and what was down in our field, and now we're already signed up. We're ready to go.
I just want to thank my instructors for always being there, for being patient, for always being a resource where we could get knowledge, and for all the things they did.
I didn't have much of a high school graduation, so this really means a lot. That's all I can say.
My hope for you, for each and every one of you, whether you're in the building and landscaping area, or healthcare, or information technology, or transportation, or manufacturing, or engineering, that you find your pot of gold, whatever you deem that to be.
It feels so good after everything that I've overcome to be here today. I couldn't be more proud of myself.
HTC graduates, we did it. We've come to not the end of our journey, but the beginning of everything.
From your first course to graduation, Hennepin Technical College is with you every step of the way to help you succeed. Let Hennepin Technical College make a difference in your life.